A Starbucks drink, a hamburger, a can of Coca-Cola, and a sweet donut? This isn't a lunch menu. These are decorative candles. Learn how to make unusual candles that look like food in our new video. The blue-eyed girl decided to take a selfie while she's out and asks Ben to hold her drink. That was a terrible mistake because Ben can't resist and drinks her tasty strawberry milkshake. The blue-eyed girl is outraged, but our noble Ben will fix the situation. He comes back with a brand new Starbucks milkshake candle, which is better than the previous one. Grate candle colorings into melted wax. Stir. Let it cool and gradually mix the hardening wax to get a creamy consistency. Place a wick into a clear plastic cup. Fasten it on a skewer. Put the wax into the cup with a spoon. Pour melted white wax into the cup using a syringe to fill in the edges. Place cubes of hard wax on top and cover it with a melted white layer so that it looks like milk drippings. Stick in a straw and attach a printed Starbucks logo. This wax Starbucks drink will last for a long time. You can take as many selfies as you want. The milkshake will never melt and you will never run out of it. Candy Girl adores sweet food, cute stories, and friendship. Plus, she never goes anywhere without a lollipop. She notices candies everywhere. Hold on, are these actually sweets? They look like my favorite candies, but they turned out to be bright candles. Stick wicks into a silicone cake pop mold. Melt wax with candle colorings. Fill a syringe with it and pour it into the mold. Make candles of different colors. Take the candles out of the molds when the wax hardens. Screw in plastic straws just like the one on a Chupa Chups. Use a syringe with wax to make the iconic strip in the middle of the lollipop. Even out the layer with a heated spoon. These Chupa Chups candles are so cute! Candy Girl lights up a match with her look and lights the candles. This set of sweet candles is just what I need for reading. Ben and the blue-eyed girl are about to get in a fight. There is only one can of soda for both of them. A battle begins. Don't expect any mercy while fighting for Coca-Cola. But our Candy Girl will settle the argument peacefully. She swaps the can of arguments for a warm candle of friendship. Prick a hole at the bottom of a Coca-Cola can. Fill a syringe with soda. Empty the can. Roll out polymer clay into a thin layer. Coat the can with Vaseline and wrap it in the clay. Cut off the excess. Adjust the clay to fit the can. Cover the top with a clay circle. Mold the can. Bake it following package instructions. When cool, take out the can. Put in a wick on a skewer. Add a gray crayon to chopped wax. Microwave it in a double boiler. And pour the first layer into the mold. Melt a lot of wax with red candle coloring and pour it in. When the red wax hardens, pour a gray layer on top. Take the hardened candle out of the mold. Paint the metallic part of the can silver. Make a Coca-Cola logo with white acrylic paint using a stencil. The battle is over, but no one needs a prize like this. The soda turned into a candle. Who likes drinking wax? The fight breaks out all over again, but Candy Girl comes to the rescue. She lights up the candle and it melts their hearts. The friendship is saved. Ben is about to snack on a burger, but we've got a surprise for him. Candy Girl swaps food for a candle again. Cut old candles and take out the wick. Finally, chop the wax. Add remains of crayons as coloring. And melt the mixture in a double boiler. Pour the colored wax into a mold with burger pieces. Take out the pieces when the wax hardens. Assemble the burger with melted wax. Create sauces. Make a hole through it using a wooden skewer. Put in a wick. Wax won't fill you up. Ben is looking for something to eat. Marshmallows are a great snack, but chewing on plain old marshmallows is so boring. I've got an idea. Let's combine marshmallows and a candle, and eat toast marshmallows over the candle. Yummy! Just what I need. Candy Girl invited her friends, Ben and the blue-eyed girl over, but they are running late. Candy Girl's been waiting for her friends for so long that she falls asleep. The friends come with presents. Wake up, Candy! Ben brought a plant. What a weird choice! But the blue-eyed girl fixes the situation right away. She gives Candy Girl her favorite sweets, delicate macaroon candles. Divide chopped wax into 2 parts. Add candle coloring into each part. Melt it. Pour the colored wax into a macaroon mold. Wait for the wax to slightly harden and put a wick into 1/2. Take the hardened candles out of the mold. Melt more wax with coloring for the filling. Scrape the surface of the macaroon halves. Trim the candle to make it stable. Apply the colored wax onto 1/2 as filling and fasten the macaroon. Put the candles into a gift box. This set of colorful macaroons makes the host so happy. What a perfect gift! Candy Girl adds the candles to her sweet collection right away. They will be a perfect part of her interior design. The friends are watching a stand-up show, but Ben is the only one laughing. The blue-eyed girl doesn't think anything is funny because Ben ate her cookies. He asks for forgiveness and brings not only a bunch of Oreos, but also candles to cheer up his friend. Add crayons of brown shades to chopped candles. Melt the wax. Add chocolate flavoring. Pour a layer of brown wax into a DIY polymer clay Oreo mold. Mix chopped candles with a white crayon. Melt the mixture. When the Oreo layer hardens, scrape the surface with a skewer and pour in a layer of white wax as a filling. Scrape the hardened middle layer and pour in a brown layer of wax up to the top. Let it harden. Tie a wick into a knot. Put on a wick holder. Take out the ready Oreo candle. Make a hole in the middle and stick in the wick. Even out the shape of the candle with a knife. Make 4 Oreo candles. Make a box with a clear cap out of blue cardboard. Fasten it with double-sided tape. Attach clear plastic to the cap. Put in the Oreo candles. There are both Oreo cookies and candles on this big plate. Try to tell the difference. Ben lights up the candles, and the blue-eyed girl enjoys the taste and the smell of Oreo. The blue-eyed girl falls asleep while reading a crime story. She starts dreaming that she's the main detective in Donut City. And now she'll treat herself to a donut. But the box was a trick. There is a nice donut candle instead of a sweet glazed yummy. Place 2 molds of a detachable donut into a container so it stands still. Add different candle colorings to clear wax for the donut and the glaze. Add strawberry flavoring to the glaze. Melt it. Pour the glaze into the mold. Let it harden. Scrape the edges so they look like drippings. Scratch the surface with a skewer. Pour the beige layer of the donut on top. Fill the other mold with the same wax up to the top. Take the ready pieces out of the mold. Heat them with a hairdryer and quickly fasten them together. Fix the shape using a knife. Poke 5 holes in the donut with a toothpick. Put in wicks. Coat the sprinkles on the donut with acrylic paint. The blue-eyed girl puts all of her deductive methods to use. Who set her up? Let's light the evidence and smell the wax. There has to be a hint. All of a sudden, her dream is interrupted. The blue-eyed girl needs to finish her crime story. Otherwise, donuts will stalk her every night. Did you like our delicious candles? Then write in the comments which of the food-shaped candles you will make for your friends. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new weird candle ideas on Troom Troom.